Hello everyone, I'm Viet, and I am a student in CS50, and this is homepage. All right, so let us all visit my um, website, and provides us with a URL, which takes us to our list of 4 HTML pages. All right, so it's a bit of mistake. So a home page is just a very simple HTML page which provides basic information about the website itself, about the method of operation, which is this aim of the website is to provide the users with the locations of nearby hospitals and clinics. And the third section is about how to be a user. I intend that this will be also my future project. So there's a few features that I might want to implement in the future. And this is just the page that leads us to the user.html. There are 4 sections. This is a table that I created using Bootstrap with a class of thead/dark. And basically, the fields of information contains date of birth, state, and city. There are 2 sections that lead us to the next HTML pages, which is possible interventions and know more about us, which takes us back to the homepage. This is not interactive yet, but as we visit possible preventions, the website is more interactive as I have 2 drop-down lists, as you can see. And these lists provide information about prevention procedures, as well as first aid procedures. Here, for prevention procedures, I have malaria, vascular cerebral disease, and flu, and have to prevent those diseases. And for first aid procedures, I also have 2 medical situations. Here is, as you can see, hyperlink references, which takes us to the websites that contain much more comprehensive information about malaria, vascular cerebral disease, as well as the flu. The next 3 sections is just linking between the HTML pages. Know more about us takes us back to homepage. How to be a user takes us back to user guide. And the information on hospitals and clinics in Boston takes us to locations. So, locations is basically containing the information of the hospitals and clinics in Boston. Here I make a default table containing 5 hospitals and their locations in Boston, Massachusetts. This is the image of the Boston Medical Center, and I implement a site HTML tag of the Boston Medical Center. And the last 3 sections is just linking between different HTML page to create coherence. If we go back to my code, I implement a few HTML tags, including H1, H2, P, which is really familiar, which is just headers and paragraphs. I also implement tables using classes from Bootstrap, table, and thead_dark, which darkens the header. I also use th and tr and td, which is just thead, table row, and table data. And in prevent HTML, it's just select options that are the primary feature here. There also is a div and an ID, which is implemented on the change by the JavaScript function. And this is a hyperlink, as you can see here, which takes us to the subsequent HTML page. And the last one is just hospitals.html, which contains the information that I already said. So here's this styles.css. So the classes that I implemented, which include center, red, green, blue, and purple, might look weird, but it's just that I want to implement primitive classes so that I can use string concatenation to incorporate them together when I implement paragraphs and headers. Here are 2 IDs for the divs that I included in my prevent.html page, which is ill and aid. So I provided with different font family and different margin to make it more clear to the audience. I implemented a font size. And the last one is just an HTML default table row tag, which has the purple color for all the information in the table rows. So this is Viet, and this assignment is homepage.